All these little plants Nigel's planted. Careful, baby.
Wait, I want to put him in a clear bit so he can see. It's over here, bud. Oh, look, he's coming out. Maybe when he's upside down.
He can see his
Oh, in
home.
that bit, so you can get a good view from straight up.
Yeah. Turn him over and...
Yeah,
oh, little turtle.
Go home. Found him out in the paddock.
Found him out in our paddock with the doggies, and they were so gentle. We left the doggies at home just up the road, and now we're releasing him.
Alright, you ready?
Kiss him. Oh,
see you, mate.
Gorgeous.
See you, buddy. There you go.
Oh, lovely. It'd be cool if he stuck his
When
head.
we come down here, we've got a task there, bub, from now on.
Yeah.
A bit dirty if he's shit with
What was he gonna say goodbye? He stuck his head out. I wonder if he...
how long it is. Can you see from there?
Yeah. This one's for you, Brady. I know you're coming in a couple of days, but he has to go home, this one.
He's happy.
He was... because it just started... it's been a drought and it started raining. And he's out in the paddock because he's trying to make his way to the creek. He's like, thanks so much. Yeah, so he was burrowing in, wasn't he? When he was up at the house. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, he's loving it. That's so cute.
Look at how long his neck is.
Bridget at our bottom of our road. Oh, he's coming up to you.
Yeah, good boy.
He's a good boy. What are you going to name him, bub?
Jeffrey.
Little Jeffrey.
See you, mate.
Oh, Molly would be going off right now if she was here. Oh, thanks, darling. And you spotted him. You always spot stuff in nature, don't you, darling? That's what I love so much about you. You just love nature so much. I do too, but you know, you just seem to be one with nature. A beautiful little creek, Jerry's Creek. Got the best little swimming spot down that end. Come here the other day on a hot day with the doggies. There's little Jeffrey. Oh, he's under that big rock there. I see him there. Oh, Brady would have loved to see him. How healthy was he? Oh, there's this... oh, wait, he's popping his head up. Yeah?
Make sure you reverse up out of here.
Yeah. I just... oh, he's just... yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for his head to pop up. Oh, he was so healthy and gorgeous. So we just helped make his little trip back home.
Yeah, a fair way to get down that mountain.
Yeah. He didn't get too far from the dam before he was burrowing. See you, little Jeff. We love you. Good luck on your new journey.